Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from NUMRICH. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. NUMRICH, also, I believe, gun parts. Corp.com, possibly. GPC. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open here. Let's move this out a little bit. I guess we're going to use a knife. See here. Alright, don't know if there's going to be an invoice or not, so I made some notes. Slices here down the side. Real time here. Doing this in real time. Okay. There we go. Okay. Not quite a good job I did there. There we go. Okay, we got bubble wrap. I see bubble wrap. I got tape stuck to my finger. There. Okay. We have an invoice. Oh. I still got notes anyways. So possibly in no particular order. We have a Bayonet with leather scabbard original, comma, and then the rest is cut off. So we obviously don't have word wrap turned on. So let's refer to our notes. Oh. Okay, Bayonet with leather scabbard original, used good. Looks like a Bakelite handle, which is kind of cool. The button release works. We got a prominent number. Looks like some grind marks. Certain manufacturer, can't tell if that's a maker mark or not. I don't think so, but possibly a strike mark right there. No other discernible markings, unfortunately. There's another serial number there. Well, at least we got a scabbard. Very interesting. So, feel free to comment on your thoughts on that. If you have further details, always welcome to know. Next, no particular order. Bayonet frog with D-ring, spring clip, and notes here. Strap / stud closure. Should be gray leather, unissued. So it's in a kind of open ziplock here. Very simple. That will close over that. This would attach. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. So let's see if I can hook that up to a sheath. It's little odds and ends we're shopping for this time. Next. So I had ordered 3 different types of magazines. This is the magazine 25 cal 6 round blued, new. Should be triple K for a Colt 1908 pocket 25 auto hammerless. Teeny little magazine there, and the notes should be 5 holes drilled, which they are. Very nice. Got a nice finish there. Long base plate. follower goes up and down pretty straight. The spring might need a little bit of flexing. Okay, so we'll set that aside as well. So now the second magazine, no marking. Third magazine, no marking. So I'm going to have to go based on, not the, well, maybe the whole count. Let's see. One of these. Okay, I believe, oh, one of these is going to be magazine 25 ACP, 8 round blued used, and the other one is going to be magazine 25 cal 8 round new with flat floor plate triple K for a CZ 1945 vest pocket. The first one, the 8 round blued, used factory, is for a PAF Junior. This, I believe, would be the PAF Junior. As I can see an actual little mark there. I'm a little hesitant to take it out without wearing some gloves. But, yeah, a little bit of patina on there. And this one should be the new one. Looks very new. What does that say? That's just a fingerprint. Looks like you. So we'll have to match it up either way. But we definitely know which one's the Colt, since that one's packaged that way. Another one of these is for a PAF Junior. The other one is for a CZ 1945 vest pocket. Alright, so let's get to the last item here. Should be a 40mm dummy grenade and bandolier set. Looks like I got an olive drab one. And we got our strap. And then interesting. But there's going to be about 6 of these bad boys here. Get your 40 mic on, at least for your role play. These are all struck primers. Baby rattles, yeah. So you can see here, you got a lot number, case, cartridge, practice M212. So it's got some things sticky on there. There's your 6. Empty bandolier. Snaps with a little bit of aging on them. Pretty cool. So working our way backwards. 40mm dummy grenade and bandolier set. Bandolier colors may vary. Reading from the item description on this website. We also got 3 various magazines here. And then, working way backwards, bayonet frog with D-ring, spring clip, and strap stud closure. And we started off with a bayonet. This would be item number 1136600 is their part number. So you can put that in their search field at on NUMRICH Gun Parts Corporation. So feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on specific vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and we also do a series of curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.